What's going on, mother truckers? Welcome to the Asia My Show, man. Today we chilling, we're hanging out, and I just want to let you guys know that, you know, if you want to make it in trucking, you can, and it's possible, people. You just have to work hard and know what you got to do. But you definitely can make this work. But I just want to let you guys know that it is what it is, man. You got to go out there and you got to get it. You got to be hungry for it, and you got to know that you got to want to better your life. Because if you don't, what's the need, man? We're here for such a little time on this earth. So I just want you guys to know that, you know, I love you, and if you need help with anything, hit me up. I got you.
We are the music makers, and we are the dreamers of dreams.